Here we go, new inventory. A really beautiful 2014 Honda Odyssey EXL, fully loaded, Braunability Freedom van, power side entry, wheelchair lift, fully loaded EXL, sunroof, backup camera, side view camera, loaded handicap wheelchair conversion van. Is a Braunability Freedom van, dual side entry doors, 25,000 original miles, southern van, its entire life. We bought it from the original owner. Gorgeous condition inside and out. 25,000 original miles, rust free, gorgeous condition. Give us a call, give us a like, give us a follow, give us a text. If you have any questions, give us a call or a text, 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Supreme Motors, Boca Raton, Florida. SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net. We only have 5-star reviews. Give us a like, give us a follow. Love to hear from you. Appreciate any and all comments and suggestions. We do accept any type of trade-ins, and we do also help with financing anywhere in the world, shipping, and any type of trade-in. So give us a call. We've been in business 47 years. We're happy to help at any time. It's a Braunability Freedom van, fully loaded, leather interior. I don't think anybody's even sat in the back seat. It's beautiful inside and out. Smells good inside. Non-smoking van, no rust whatsoever. I'm gonna give you the full tour here. I'll show you any imperfections that I can find. It does have navigation, backup camera, side view camera. It does have a passenger side quick lock, which is like same thing as an easy lock system. Quick release front seats. You can operate the lift from the handheld remote. The button here, there's a button up front, and also the button for the power doors. Does have dual side entry doors. Awesome setup. 25,000 original miles. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Supreme Motors, Boca Raton, Florida. Beautiful leather interior, full power seats. It's got all your stickers, no accidents, clean Carfax, no stories whatsoever, clean title. That is the quick lock alarm. Just turn that off. As you can see, 25,867 miles. No warning lights on. It's just a beautiful van. Gorgeous navigation. Side view camera. Also has backup camera. It does have the center console cool box. Turn that on, put your drinks in there, keeps them cold. Does have the owner's manuals. Everything, it's all there. Got your power sunroof. Very nice van. Steering wheel controls, fully loaded out. Honda EXL. No rust anywhere whatsoever. You can also operate the lift from these buttons here. I'm going to show you how everything works. Tires are like brand new. I would say they're better than 70%, maybe even better than that. Super nice and clean. Under the hood is very nice and clean. No accidents, no stories, non-smoker, one owner. Southern van, like I said, underneath is perfect. No rust. We specialize in custom vans, handicap vans, wheelchair vans. This is what we do. 47 years in business. You know where to find us. If you have any questions, just give us a call. We're happy to help you with anything that we can. So I'm going to point out a couple of imperfections on the outside, which is not much, by the way. There is one little crease here in the fender. It looks like something just bumped up against it, something very minor. Cracked the paint just a little bit. It's kind of hard to see, but that's right there. And other than that, I think there's a couple little scratches there on the driver's side running board. And that's it. The rest of this van is immaculately perfect. There is not a mark anywhere else on it. Right here, little mark on the back bumper. That's it. I knew there was one more thing. So those 3 items, and that's it. I mean, 2014, 20,000 miles, no issues whatsoever. This thing is pretty near perfect. You can drive it to California right now from Florida, no problem. Beautiful. Show you how everything works. So you can use the handheld remote, or you can use the button on the side here. And you're in and you're done. It does have L-track tie-down system in the floor. Dual side entry doors. As you can see, the body is very straight on this van. Give us a call anytime, 954-561-2499 if you have any questions or concerns. Happy to help. 2014 Honda Odyssey EXL. 25,000 miles. Beautiful. Thank you.